Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to dive into the world of Google Shopping and explain how it can be game changer for your business. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to get more customers, reach more target audience organically with free method, then this video will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started.
What is Google Shopping? Imagine a giant online mall where people can browse products from different stores. That's essentially what Google Shopping is. It is a platform that lets you showcase your Shopify products to millions of potential customers searching for what you sell on Google. Why should you care? Think about it. When someone searches for a product related to yours, would not you want them to see your offering? Google Shopping put your products right in front of their eyes with a picture, price and a link to your store. That's powerful exposure. How does it work? There are two parts of Google Shopping for Shopify store owner. One is Google Merchant Center, another Google Ads, formerly Google AdWords. Google Merchant Center. This is your product information hub where you create a feed with details about your product like titles, description, images, prices and inventory. Google AdWords or Google Ad. This is where you can run targeted ad for your product. You set a budget and choose keyword that potential customers might use to find your product. When someone searches for this keyword, your product listing can be appear at the top of the search result or even on the shopping tab. Benefit of Shopify store owner: increase brand awareness, get your product seen by a massive audience, more website traffic, drive qualified leads who are actively looking to buy, higher sales conversion rate, showcase your product in a visually appealing way, measurable result, track clicks, conversion and see your return on ad spend. Getting started with Google Shopping for Shopify. This is good news. Shopify make it easy to get started with Google Shopping. There are building tools to help you create your product feed and connect it to Google Merchant Center.
So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify store design, Shopify marketing, Shopify store SEO to rank organically on the search engine, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.